In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Brother MFC-J4335DW printer. In case you're having issues with it, this can be done in just a few seconds. So you're going to make sure your screen is turned on. If your screen is black and it means your printer is sleeping, simply press this top button to light it up. Then select Settings, like that, and then press the up arrow. You should see Initial Setup. Press OK. Go down, you can go down, but you can also press the up arrow again, twice, until you get to the Reset option. Press OK. And now we have multiple choices. If you go down, you can simply reset the Wi-Fi. So if the only problem with your printer was Wi-Fi, you can select network and it won't do a factory reset. It will just reset the internet. But if you go completely down in this list, you're going to get all settings. Press OK. And now it will say machine will reboot after resetting. Press the right side arrow over here for 2 seconds to confirm. So you're going to press this right side button 2 seconds until the reset starts. After a while, it only takes a minute, the reset will be done and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.